Right, we are on the way to go and pick up our pizza truck trailer. We're about 22 miles away and currently 36 minutes. So yeah, we're going to be there very soon. We set off about 7 o'clock this morning, I think we did, just before. And we had a little cheeky McDonald's on the way. Arrival time about 20 to 11. So yeah, excited to go and pick it up. We've just been past the Cotswolds as well. It's a really nice drive on the way up here. Yeah, can't wait, and I will continue our little journey going forward.
So we're 1 minute away, and Daniel can't decide whether he's excited or nervous.
I think I'm more excited than nervous. I think I'm like a bit nervous, excited. It's 50-50. I think, that's definitely 70-30. Right. Here we are. Let's have a look.
We have arrived.
There's my trailer. Can we get a little look?
Yeah, you push from the back if you want. Yeah, you push from the back. You alright? What was that? Hang on, well, I'm going to come to the front a minute, give me a pull here. Yeah. Right, you pull the thing, I'll push.
Do I put it from here?
Yeah, put it that way. You put it across, you go that way. Hang on, one sec. Ready? Right. Okay. Give it a little shift this way. I think we'll get away with it. Just move it. Right. Just. Okay. If you. Right.
I can hold it.
If you wind it down. I'll hold it.
Got it.
Yeah, keep going. Perfect. Keep going. 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 Keep going.
Does it click into place? Or
Yeah, it does. So if you, then what you'll find is
this.
there you go. Now, because your vehicle is quite low, this is actually quite a high drawbar. You'll find it will do what it's just done. Sit on top and not actually click down. So just give it a little kneel down and it will pop on. All right.
Right, got you.
Jockey it in to wind it all the way
To the top.
top. So you undo that handle. You do it, and then you sort of.
That goes that way.
Yep.
And then it comes all out.
Keep going round. Keep going round. The other way. That's it. Sit that route. That route. This is just. Right up there, up the way.
And then lock it back in.
Yep, lock it back in. Nice and tight.
This is the bit I don't get.
Right, so this needs to go. You normally have a hole for it, and you do. If it's going to go in, no, it's not. That's alright, it's not the end of the world. So, right, because of how everything is on yours, you can do that really.
Just overlook.
Yeah, you could go down through there. Really, but it snags on and pulls the brake on and then wrap the brakes. So,
Just hook it back on itself.
yeah, that's the best you've got, unfortunately. Ideally, you want to be in there, which nearly drill that hole out.
Yeah, I've got
Do
some
that.
metal drill bits that can make it a
Yeah,
bit bigger.
so just so you can get that hook in. And then what I tend to do is go over the top with these, like that. And get to the hole, like that.
That's not too bad.
So I can go over the top for the simple fact, if you go underneath, sometimes they can drag along the floor.
The old one was in a plastic bag. Do I do that with this one as well to stop it?
Yeah, I would, yeah. Unfortunately, you've got a few joins in this, which is never ideal.
What does that mean?
Well, that's another one of those. Well, I had to change that one because it was knackered.
Yeah.
That's yours. That's original. And that's new because that was knackered.
Right.
So, but because you've got joined, every join you get water ingress potentially, and then water ingress one day it will go all fair enough. Your lights won't work.
Oh God, yeah, you don't want that.
So it might just be worth it sometime when you sort the lights out, just going through and doing the whole thing.
Right.
You can see it's got a little bit of a flat spot there and things.
Yeah.
You know, that's just how it was.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, yeah.
Happy days.
Yeah, so hopefully you should be all sorted now.
Fingers crossed.
He says. Yeah. I might just open it up a little bit. Just give that a little nip up a minute.
Yeah, lovely, thank you. And then, yeah, usually I leave the handbrake off, and then I've got some chocks as well, what they're called. Wheel chocks. Is that just a brake cable sort of thing?
Yeah, just get a little bit of
What's that for the handbrake?
yeah. Chicken. Right. Right. It should be.
And then what's this one for? Is this just to take it off?
What, sorry?
Oh, sorry, this one here. Oh, sorry, you're under there. Sorry, I didn't realise.
Right, what was that, sorry?
This handle here, what's that for?
So so you've got a little lever under there, that's in and off to get it up, alright?
So it just takes it off the thing?
Correct, yeah, so you won't get it off without doing that.
Really get it up, yeah.
I'm just going to just check everything underneath a minute just to make sure. It just is what it is, so give those a check. Yeah.
Is that just a normal sort of spanner?
It's a 27 mil, so it's only 16, they're big old,
Got adjustable, haven't we?
yeah, ideally a socket. Oh, we've got some bits in. Oh, they're your stands, are they?
Yeah.
Right.
Sometimes I see people put like blocks underneath them. Do you need that, or is that just
What, underneath
the stands?
If you're on really soft mud, you might do because it'll sink in.
If it's like concrete like this, it
I
should
don't
be
think concrete will be fine on tarmac.
Oh, happy days.
So,
That's good.
yeah,
You should get your feet done then.
yeah. Which way do you go? Which way do you come?
M40, I think it was.
okay.
Yeah.
It's pretty much one road.
What I would do, just get yourself a bit down the road, then just have a check around, make sure nothing's coming
Yeah,
in.
you can have a little play with it. So we need a break anyway because it's
Yeah.
a long drive anyway. But
Before you get on the motorway, I just have a quick check.
right, trailer's home. Gonna raise these up. Then chocks. Don't really need them. Ain't moving, is it? Right, let's raise these up. Put these level. Oh yeah, there we go. I think they go the other way. Do they go that way? Yeah. Right. You can give me a hand that end. I think these go up and down. Yeah, so they lift that up.
Oh.
They've got to be level, so yeah, they've got to go up a bit higher. I'll do one and then a bit more. I think that's level, isn't it?
You must stick it on the handle or on the...
That is level. Yeah, it's on here, just on this bit here.
It's not going to mark it, is it?
It's on the final one. Let me just...
You want a thing to go on top?
Yeah, I would say so. Just for now. Stick that on top. This thing is, it's not going to be very secure. So, let me...
I've got hold of it. Go on,
Yeah. Hopefully they're tall enough. Oh, hold on. Are they? going to be, what we don't want is no. Well, if you just drop it down a little bit. Yeah.
Spirit level, don't you?
Don't know if they're high enough. I might have to get some blocks to make it a bit higher. But for now, I think that'll be fine. If I put them at the right of the edge.
You can't put them under the handle, can you?
Oh yeah, maybe do it like that. Yes, that might be better. Yeah, might do it under. Right, 1 sec. And actually, probably be a bit more secure then. Let me try that. Right, put it down. If you drop it down a bit, hopefully, it's not going to slip, is it? Should be alright.
That's a little bit higher at the back.
Does it need to go up higher or?
No, if anything needs to go down lower.
No, I think that is level. That's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. And then let me move this one where your knee is. The thing is, that's going to hit the ground anyway, so it doesn't matter too much about that. Right, let me see that. Right.
You can always make a mark where it's got to go up to, can't you, on there?
I think that's secure, isn't it? Right, let me try that. If you stand back,
Well,
it's going to...
Make sure these are pressed down.
Yeah,
Is
that's
that
it.
down?
Yeah. Yeah, right, don't... Let me try that. Right. Seems to be okay for now. Right. Next. Let me just check. Seems to be alright. Right, okay. Right, that took a little bit of time, but we got the ramp up. Next. Right, next thing, I'm going to pull this down now. Goes like that. Yeah, that's all right. Goes that. Maybe not. Oh, that comes open. That's a bit stiff. There we go. Oh. Right, that's that. What I'm going to do is protect the paintwork. At the bottom of this. Oh, blimey. Let me just move that across here. Right, there's one side open. Put that down to protect the paint. There we go. Cool, right. That's that. Next is, we can take the ratchets off now. So we've got the exit ramp out now, and this is the ratchets. Going to tie them off now, and I'm going to get those and wheel them out to the base. As you can see, that's out, and here's the inside. Let's put it out. Start taking this off. Here we are, finished, all good, all home, all safe. There's the inside. Got a few bits to do with some certain things to make it a bit more safe, let's say, on there. But yeah, this is quite cool, little exit panel as well. I'll show you the inside. There's a spare wheel that used to travel 4 miles. Here's the inside. So we've got a sink. There's our ratchet cable straps, so we can make sure. Here's the ovens, all good to go. I've got Neapolitan arches and flues, the longer ones as well. Got a lovely work surface here. Tiles, all good to go. These boxes are going to take a little bit of getting used to getting them in and out. I wasn't expecting them to be quite difficult, but yeah, other than that, this looks really good. Hatch is really nice. This is all comes in like that, comes out perfect. We'll leave that in for now. Yeah, all looks really good. Let us know what you think in the comments, and subscribe to my channel if you like my page. And yeah, keep updated for more. I didn't show you the flooring. There we go. Lovely. I'll see you in the next one, guys.